Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. A quick few updates I wanted to mention related to communities. Now you have the ability to add in a weekly subscription under the learning section when you add a course, and also some video player improvements. So let's just go into one of the groups under the communities section, which is under memberships, communities, groups, right? And you can just click the login button. You go in as an admin. So over here you can see, so the first thing I want to mention is the videos feature. And over here, if you watch a video, you can do, I think it would call picture in picture, right? Like this thing, and then you can go keep, browsing, do whatever. You can click around and you're going to have this thing, right? Just like my face. So that's one thing that we can do. Let's just close it. We're done with the video. And the other thing is, which I mentioned under learning, add a course. We can add a course, and now we can do, I don't know if I said weekly, yeah, but we can do weekly subscriptions now. So that is another new thing, which kind of gives you more flexibility. That's a good thing, right? And yeah, the community basically, the whole feature, the whole ecosystem is improving weekly. Basically, that's kind of, those are like the two big things I wanted to bring up. Small but impactful changes. If you have any questions about the communities feature or anything else Funneltopia related, click on here, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. If you're a VIP client, obviously schedule a VIP call if you have a question or two, more than a question or two. But if you have zero questions, then yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.